Morning children, open your new Sparkle semester series, Junior KG, semester 2nd book. So, what we have learnt yesterday? We have learned yesterday X for box, X for box, X for ox, X for ox, X for Xmas tree, X for Xmas tree, and I have told you to color the Xmas tree. Yes or no? After that, Y, small y. Y for yarn, Y for yarn, Y for yacht, Y for yacht, Y for yak, Y for yak. I asked you to color the yak. After that, we have completed one more alphabet, small alphabet, that was Z. Z for Xenia, Z for zebra, Z for zip, Z for zip. And I asked you to color the zip. Okay? If you have not colored also, now you can color. Now you can color the zip. Z for Xenia, Z for zebra, Z for zip, Z for zip. Okay? This is a zebra. This is a zebra. Now I have completed capital and small letters A to Z. Capital and small letters A to Z. Yes or no? A to Z all completed or no? Capital and small letters. Yes. Now page number 41. Open page number 41. Circle the first letter of the picture. Circle the first letter of the picture. So, yes, you have to circle the first letter of the picture. Which, see here, this is tree, no tree. This is tree. T से tree आता है, तो तुम्हें T को circle करना है. This way you have to write this. Circle the first letter of the picture means like this. Here now. S-R-U-P. S-R-U-P. Yes or no? S-R-U-P. What will you circle here? Circle the first letter of the picture. Yes. Yes. You have to circle S. S for sun. S for sun. Then see here. O-A-R-T. O-A-R-T. And this is what it is? Rainbow. Rainbow. You have to circle the letter R. Circle the first letter of the picture. This is R. Then M-T-N-O. M-T-N-O. Yes, this is picture T. This is tree. Tree. T tree. See here. You have to do T. Then Q-B-C-R. Q for queen, no? Q for queen. Yes. You have to circle the Q. You have to circle the Q. M-U-B-O. Yes. What is this? Urn. U. You have to circle U for urn. U for urn. This way you have to write. Have you understood? Okay. Now we have already completed capital letters and small letters A to Z. Yes or no? A to Z. We have already completed. Now revision of letters from M to Z. M to Z. See here. This is small revision of letters from M to Z. We have completed no small m revision of letters from M to Z. M small m. See here. How to write? See here. Small m. Small n. Small o. Small. This is P. This is Q, R, and this is S. Then the same thing you have to write here also. See here. M, N O P Q R, and this is small s. Small m, small n, small o, small p, small q, small r, small s. This way you have to read and write. You have to complete this. Okay. Then S over T U V W X Y Z. Yes, this way I have completed, no? Now see here how to write small t, small u, v, w, x, y, this is z, t, u, V W X Y, this is Z, and the remaining it's there, no? See here, you have to write 1 2 3, here also 1 2 3, you have to complete this. Okay, and then after that you have to come to the page number 43. 42 we have seen now how to write M to Z. M to Z. And then you come to the alphabet comparison, capital and small letters. Capital and small letters. See here how to write capital letters. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. This is capital letters A to Z. Now come to the small letter. Small letters. See here. Small a, small b, small c, small d, small e, small f, small g, small h, small I, small j, small k, small l, small m, n, o, small p, q, R, S, T U V W X Y Z. Small z. Capital and small letters we have completed A to Z. A to Z. Have you understood? No? Have you understood or not? Okay. Now I'll show you how to write in your both the letters in your 4-line book. In your 4-line capital letters A to Z. See here. Capital A, small a, capital B, small b, capital C, small c, capital D, small d, capital E, small e, capital F, small f, capital G, small g, capital H, small h, capital I, capital J, small j, capital K, small k, capital L, small l, capital M, small m, capital N, small n, capital O, small o, capital P, small p, capital Q, small q, capital R, small r, capital S, small s, capital T, small t, capital U, small u, capital V, small v, capital W, small w. We have completed XYZ also. So see here. This is capital X, small x. This is capital Y. This is small y. And this is Z. Capital Z, small z. Have you got? Yes. This way, when I asked you to write capital and small letters A to Z, you have to write in this way. You have to write in this way. And separate if you want to write, no? Write A to Z one page when I will tell you capital and small letters. See, this is capital letters A to Z, Z, and small letters A to Z. And this is both the letters I have written capital and also small letters. Capital letters I have shown here, small letter next to that. This way you have to write. I have completed the rhymes. I hear thunder, teddy bear, old MacDonald, sounds of animals, zebra in the zoo, Incy Wincy spider. Now we will learn one more new rhyme, that is page number 58. Page number 58, 6 little ducks. 6 little ducks. Ducks means बदक, जिसको बदक कहते हैं. Okay. 6 little ducks that once I knew, fat ones, thin ones, little ones too. But one little duck with a feather on his back, he laid the others with a quack, quack, quack. He laid the others with a quack, quack, quack. 6 little ducks that once I knew, fat ones, thin ones, little ones too. But one little duck with a feather on his back, he laid the others with a quack, quack, quack. So we will say this in rhythm. 6 little ducks that once I knew. 6 little ducks that once I knew. Fat ones, thin ones, little ones too. Fat ones, thin ones, little ones too. But one little duck with a feather on his back, he laid the others with a quack, quack, quack. He laid the others with a quack, quack, quack. 6 little ducks that once I knew, fat ones, thin ones, little ones too. But one little duck with a feather on his back, he laid the others with a quack, quack, quack. He laid the others with a quack, quack, quack. 6 little ducks that once I knew, Fat ones, thin ones, little ones too. But one little duck with a feather on his back, he laid the others with a quack, 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 with a quack, quack, quack. In this way, you have to by heart this rhyme. One more rhyme we will go today. Page number 59. Page number 59. That is my red balloon. Balloon is liked by everyone. Do you like or no balloons? Do you like the balloons or not? Balloons of different color, red color, blue color, green color. Yes or no? Balloon, फुगा जिसको कहते हैं. Okay. Now see here. My red balloon. My red balloon. We will say. My red balloon flies high, so high. I jump up high and try to fly. I jump up high and try to fly, but I cannot. Oh, tell me why. My red balloon flies high, so high. My red balloon flies high, so high, so high. I jump up high and try to fly. My balloon is going, see the balloon is going up and he's trying to jump, but he can't catch that one. But I can't catch that one. But I can't. Oh, tell me why. But I can't. Oh, tell me why. My red balloon flies high, so high, so high. We will say this in rhythm. Okay. My red balloon flies high, so high, so high. I jump up high and try to fly, but I can't. Oh, tell me why. But I can't. Oh, tell me why. My red balloon flies high, so high, so high. My red balloon flies high, so high, so high. I jump up high and try to fly, but I can't. Oh, tell me why. But I can't. Oh, tell me why. My red balloon flies high, so high, so high. In this way, you have to by heart 6 little ducks. My red balloon. You have to learn today's 2 new rhymes and also the back rhymes what I have taught you. One is page number 58, the other is page number 59. My red balloon, 6 little ducks. And the homework is for you. Today I have completed capital and small letters A to Z. So you have to read from page number 9. A from A, small a for ant, to Z for zip. Page number 40. Page number 9 to page number 40 with the help of the picture you have to read the small letters. Okay, and you have to write for A to Z, capital and small letters A to Z for 2 pages. And you have to learn by heart the rhymes from I hear thunder to 6 little ducks, my red balloon. 2 new rhyme I have taught you today. Have you understood, children? This is the homework for you today. Okay, we will meet in the next video. Thank you.